So today I will show you how to copy a building. I just found this cool structure here on a world I downloaded. This is not my world. And I want to copy this building. I will use just commands that are in Minecraft when you enable sheets, world options, allow commands, and enable sheets. So I want to copy it from this spot right here. I put a red wool block so I know where. This is the corner I want to copy from. And I want to copy up here. So from that point up to this point, you could just do like this if you want to do it in the corner here, but I want the trees and everything around to follow it. So I do this. So what you do using the command /clone, you go here, look on this block you have here and do /clone. Press space and go down to this block. This is the block we were watching right now. Now you press enter. Incomplete command. It's okay, that's how it should be. And then we go up to this block that we want to copy from this to this. So we press up arrow and get the latest command. And we take this and we press enter again. Incomplete command. So now we have this command I just did. It's from this point down there up to this point right here. Now we just have to find an area where we want to place this. We want to place it maybe here. Here is a good idea. So we look on the ground and we take up the command, press the up arrow and space. And so now we have from these coordinates to these new coordinates. And we press enter. Look like that. A new building, a new fantastic building from this block up to this block. It's pretty easy. You can do this how many times you want. You can spam this building all over the world if you want. But you cannot travel like 10,000 blocks and do it. It has to be kinda close. So that's how you move buildings to one spot to another. If you need help with anything, please comment down in the comments and I will gladly help you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.